In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change members' permission in Trello. By the end, you'll know how to invite someone to a board, choose the right access level, adjust a member's role later, remove someone if needed, and review join requests, all from the same place in Trello. Start by opening Trello in your browser and signing in. From the home screen, head to your boards view so you can see the boards you have access to. Open the board where you want to manage access. If you're following along, open the board you use for your day-to-day tasks. At the top right of the board, click the Share button. This is the central hub for inviting people and changing permissions. In the invite field, type the person's email address. When Trello suggests the matching contact, click that result to select them. If you'd like, add a short welcome message in the message box. This is a nice touch to set expectations, share a quick onboarding note, or link to a board guide. Before you send the invite, choose their starting permission. You'll see options like Member and Observer. Click Member if you want them to be able to add and edit cards. If you prefer read-only access, click Observer instead. Observers can view the board and interact in limited ways, which is great for stakeholders who don't need to make changes. If you don't see Observer, it may not be available on your current plan. Once you've chosen the right role, click Share to send the invitation. Now let's look at changing permissions after someone is already on the board. Back in the Share panel, find the person in the member list and open their role menu. If you need to grant full control, like managing board settings and members, select Admin. Use this sparingly, typically for a small set of trusted teammates. If you've made someone an admin and want to dial it back, open the same menu again and switch them to member. This returns them to standard editing rights without the ability to change board settings or manage others. Need read-only access for an existing member? Open their menu and choose Observer. This is handy when someone only needs visibility. If you want to be sure the change applied, you can click Observer again in the same menu to confirm the status. To restore editing privileges, switch them back to Member, and if necessary, click Member again to confirm. Think of these role options, Admin, Member, and Observer, as quick toggles you can use anytime someone's responsibilities change. If someone no longer needs access, you can remove them from the board right from this panel. Open their menu and choose Remove from Board. Trello will ask you to confirm. Click Remove to finalize. This cleans up your member list and keeps your information secure. While you're in the Share panel, you can also manage Join Requests. Click Join Requests to review anyone who has asked for access to the board. Approve or decline as appropriate based on your team's policies. When you're finished, close the panel by clicking the X in the corner to return to your board. A few tips as you work through this. Set roles with the principle of least privilege. Start with the lowest level someone needs and increase only if their work requires it. Use a short welcome message to clarify what you expect new members to do on the board and who to contact with questions. Revisit roles periodically. Projects evolve, and access often needs to be adjusted. And keep the admin list small to protect board settings and membership. That's it. You've invited a teammate, set their permission, switched roles between admin, member, and observer, removed access when needed, and reviewed join requests, all using Trello's Share panel. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.